Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to find your recording calls list on Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the phone app. You'll usually find it right on your home screen or inside the apps drawer, depending on your phone model. Step 2. Next, from the phone app, look for the Recent section at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and it will open up the most recent items, including your recorded calls. Step 3. Now, in this menu, you'll see a list of recent calls. If you're looking for a specific person's recording, just scroll through the list and tap on their name or number. Step 4. A pop-up menu will now appear. This shows you the recent call recordings. To see more recordings, simply tap on the History option. It will expand and show you all available recordings. Step 5. In the History section, you'll find a detailed list of your calls, including incoming and outgoing ones. Most importantly, you'll see the recording calls list saved here. To play a recording, just find the one you want and tap on Listen to Recording. That's it. The call will start playing automatically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.